So here are the notes of the piano. I'm going to show you how to recognize the notes as you see them on the keyboard here. Really the way we get the notes on the piano is through the black keys. You notice that on the piano, or the portion of it that you see here, the black keys are in series of 3 and 2, 3 and 2, 3, 2. All right, it's the same throughout. And that's how we find the white keys. This note right here is middle C. Middle C is, they call it middle C because it's in the middle of the piano. It's not exactly in the middle, but it's about or roughly in the middle. It might be off by 1 or 2 keys, but it's usually a starting point for most teaching methods. We use 7 letters. Here's C, here's B, here's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right, we just use 7 letters in our musical system, and that's it. That's all we have as far as the notes go. They just keep repeating themselves, but you may think, is that all? Well, but there's a lot that you can do with the 7 notes. Anyway, so how do we recognize the notes? If you look at the middle C here, right, you'll notice that the C is to the left of these 2 black keys here. All right, so that's how we find the middle C. And if you're looking at your keyboard, you may want to stop the video here if you want, and just see how many C's you can recognize. There's another C over here, and there's up way beyond. So see if you can find all the C's on your keyboard. So to the left of the 2 blacks is the C. Going up, by the way, this way is up, right? This way is down. Going up means that the notes are getting higher, right? So that way is up. This way is down, right? The notes are getting lower. So to the right is up, to the left is down. So if we go up to D, right? The D is, we get that from it's in the middle of the two blacks in the middle, right there. The D, right? The E is to the right of the two blacks. Sorry. Now there's F. F can be a little confusing. As you see, it's to the left of the 3 blacks, but it looks like C, right? So you don't want to get those confused. It's easy to get them confused because the 2 notes look alike. The note blocks are the same, but the F is to the left of the 3 black keys. All right. Then after F is G. Okay. We have G and A. Right. G and A are, I always used to get those confused, the G and the A, because they're right here. And then just remember that the G is right here to the left in this 3 key block, and the A is to the right. Okay. And then the B is to the right of the 3 black keys, right? The thing about this is that this is the way you'll do it at first to recognize where the notes are, but eventually, as you play these notes, they'll just get familiar to you. You don't have to. I won't have to find the E by looking at the 2 blacks and this going here. I mean, I just know where the E is just by its look. Just by how it looks. Here's the E, here's the A, here's the A, here's the A, here's the B, F, like that. So as you do it, you'll get more and more familiar with it, hopefully. Okay? So on the next video, I will talk about sharps and flats. We'll see a few of those in this course. We won't see many, but you will see a few of the sharps and the flats. And the sharps and the flats are not limited to the black keys, because people say, well, which are the sharps and which are the flats? So I'll talk about that in the next video. Okay? All right, thanks.